Companies Act Section 21, Authentication of Documents, Proceedings, and Contracts. Section 21 of the Companies Act provides a comprehensive framework for the authentication of documents, proceedings, and contracts within a company. This section clarifies who is authorized to carry out these critical functions and sets forth the guidelines that govern their authentication. Below is a detailed explanation of the provisions under this section. 1. Authentication of documents and proceedings. A. General rule. In accordance with the provisions of this section, any document or proceeding that necessitates official authentication by a company must be authenticated by individuals who are specifically authorized for this purpose. Unless stated otherwise in the Act, this requirement ensures that only designated individuals can execute the authentication process, which helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the company's official documents. B. Authorized individuals. The individuals authorized to sign and authenticate documents or proceedings include Key Managerial Personnel, KMP. This group encompasses high-level executives within the company, including positions such as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Chief Financial Officer, CFO, and Company Secretary. These individuals hold significant responsibilities and have the authority to act on behalf of the company, thereby playing a vital role in the authentication process. Officers or employees. In addition to key managerial personnel, any officer or employee who has been granted the authority by the Board of Directors can also authenticate documents or proceedings. This means that the board has conferred specific powers upon these individuals, allowing them to act on behalf of the company in this capacity. This delegation is crucial for ensuring that the company's operations run smoothly, as it allows for a broader pool of individuals to manage the authentication process. 2. Authentication of contracts. A. General rule. Similar to documents and proceedings, contracts that are made by or on behalf of the company must also be signed and authenticated by individuals authorized by the Board of Directors. This rule is crucial for ensuring that all contracts entered into by the company are legally binding and properly executed. B. Authorized individuals. Key managerial personnel. Just as with the authentication of documents and proceedings, key managerial personnel may sign contracts if they have received the necessary authorization from the board. Their position within the company generally equips them with the understanding and authority required to enter into binding agreements. Officers or employees. Any officer or employee duly authorized by the board can likewise sign contracts on behalf of the company. This provision allows companies to engage in transactions efficiently and ensures that appropriate individuals are empowered to enter into agreements that affect the company's operations. 3. Implications and procedures. A. Board authorization. The responsibility of designating individuals who have the authority to authenticate documents and sign contracts lies with the Board of Directors. The board typically formalizes this authorization through resolutions or other mechanisms which delineate the specific powers granted to individuals. This ensures that there is a clear and documented process in place for granting authority, thereby protecting the company's interests. B. Compliance. It is imperative for companies to comply with the provisions set forth in this section to guarantee that all documents, proceedings, and contracts are authenticated properly and remain legally binding. Non-compliance with these authorization requirements could lead to the invalidation of important documents or contracts, exposing the company to potential legal challenges or operational difficulties. Therefore, adherence to the specified authentication processes is crucial for maintaining the company's legal standing and operational efficacy.